thoroughly clean your aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera may have its risk. You can decide with your doctor if the benefits outweigh the risk. However, aloe vera, if consumed, has 14 health benefits. Aloe latex or whole leaf extract, if consumed orally, might be unsafe. You want to take your knife and you want to cut. I like to cut around this space here. If you found value from watching this video so far, please like and subscribe. And then you just break it off here. It breaks off really easy. You always want to have some paper towel handy because it's very slippery and slimy. And as you can see me cutting it, you see the little brown latex there. But what I'm going to do is use a paper towel so you can see it a little bit more clearly. I'm going to press it down. And you see this yellow gooey sap? That's the latex. That's poisonous. Actually, I'm just going to cut this whole half off here. See that? The camera focuses. You can see the latex sap. The camera would focus maybe right there. You can see like the yellow brownish sap here, or latex. That is the poisonous. I'm going to pull it closer to see if it focus for you. That stuff is poisonous, and you want to drain that out, and you want to thoroughly rinse that off, because you do not want to, if you're consuming this, you do not want to consume that latex. So you're gonna, I'm only gonna use a couple of slices of this. So and it's super slimy. I'm only gonna use a couple of slices of this, so I'm going to place them in a bowl here. Again, I'm going to let them soak for about an hour. Once you see the water is crystal clear and it's no longer yellowish or murky looking, no longer has that stench, that means it is ready for consumption and it's ready for use. We're going to cut off the edges. This is very slippery and slimy, so cut away from yourself, please. And I like to get right up underneath the leafy part of the flesh. You can see that goodness. So you can see how clear that is. I already cut one, so I'm going to cut this other one here. Right? So I want to get right up underneath. I like to rinse it one more time once I use it, so let me just So I just dipped it in some clean water that I changed out. Just like to get all of the poison or latex off. I'm going to just store this in my refrigerator for later because I will be using this again very soon. But tonight we're going to be doing a sugar scrub.